What's good, guys? Design Syndrome here. 31-day poster challenge. I can't remember the day. Day 22. God, I'm really not feeling like doing this. But hey, that's the entire point. I made it from the couch to the working chair workstation. We're doing this. It doesn't matter how I feel. It matters that I get this done. So let's get to it, shall we? Let's hop into the Discord real quick to take a look at today's triggers. Today, the triggers were dark, the word God, and also democracy. Here in Argentina, it's voting day today. I was feeling like doing something around democracy, but I'm mentally drained right now to do something good around that. It's not something that I would like to half-ass if I want to tackle the democracy thing. So I probably do a poster about it in the future with a real cool concept and something like that. But I think I'll do something around God and dark. I'm just gonna play with it, see what comes up, see if I can get out of this rut and get the gears turning, you know what I mean? And just make something, you know. Each time I feel like this, and then after the fact I manage to do the thing, be it, I don't know, I don't feel like cooking and I cook, or I don't feel like training and then I train, then it feels amazing afterwards. But going through the initial motion, it's like, oh shit, you know what I mean? So enough talking, let's get to it. Let's hop into Photoshop. Okay guys, this is the finished piece. Real simple, not my best work, I know, but that wasn't the point. I sit down, I did it, it's finished. I kind of like it because when I started to play with it, I just typed God and I went like, it's dog spelled backwards, you know? And dogs are super cool. Literally my thinking, I don't know. I'm from Christian background. This is not a burn. It's kind of like a compliment. I know I'm kind of agnostic. I'm not an atheist or anything. I'm not also deeply like religious. I'm spiritual, but not religious like any certain religion. Like I think there is truth in all religions, but I don't want to get into that. Maybe in another video, let me know in the comments below. But yeah, don't read too much into it. I like it. I would hang this on a wall actually. Looks kind of fun. I don't know. Let me know what you think. Fuck bees. Wish you conflict. Cheese.